The world is officially going electric. As the public ditches fossil fuels and embraces clean energy, companies like Tesla have grown into multi-billion-dollar empires. But Tesla has competition. Today, we're looking at the Dasher Electric, the Tesla of the sea. Hinckley Yachts was founded in 1928 and is widely considered to be one of the best yacht technology companies on the market. They announced their first electric boat in 2017, the Dasher Electric. Unlike most hybrid cars on the market, this boat was 100% electric powered. The result is a silent boat with a max speed of 27 miles per hour. The amazing vehicle costs $500,000 for the base model. To build this amazing craft, Hinckley gathered the greatest minds in their respective fields at the corporate headquarters in Maine to determine the future of boating. Designer Michael Peters was there, as were naval architects, America's Cup engineers steeped in aerospace experience, and even consultants from the automobile industry. The end result was a luxurious speedboat with none of the exhaust or noise of a traditional powerboat. Designed from the ground up for fully electric propulsion, the Dasher achieved a new standard of excellence with modern styling paired with super lightweight construction. From the carbon epoxy composite hull to the hand-painted lightweight artisanal teak, every ounce of weight was shaved and every curve sculpted. The titanium hardware and console details were both 3D printed to achieve shapes and a level of precision unavailable in typical construction methods. The Dasher powers its 28 feet 6 inches with twin 80 horsepower electric motors and dual BMW i3 lithium-ion batteries. The Dasher gains a full charge in under 4 hours with dual 50-amp charging. Its cruising speed is 10 miles per hour with fast cruising at 18 to 27 miles per hour. Its range is 40 miles at cruising speed and 20 to 25 miles at fast cruising speeds. The dual BMW i3 lithium-ion batteries have been designed with a prismatic cell design for efficient cooling and temperature distribution with compact size and superior shock resistance. The Hinckley Whisper Drive silent propulsion system combines the latest hydrodynamics, electric power, and digital control systems to achieve the performance handling and maneuverability that discerning clients would expect, according to Hinckley's CEO. Hinckley may not be the first company to make an electric boat, but it is the first to mass-produce a luxury vehicle that will entice wealthy clientele to pursue clean energy. When Hinckley launched the original Dasher in 1994, it was a 36-foot picnic boat that made use of jet drives and an innovative piece of technology called the jet stick, which we would now simply call a joystick. The original Dasher helped grow Hinckley into the company it is today. Using the same name only made sense. By pouring millions of dollars into research and development, Hinckley was taking a huge gamble, but it appears the gamble has paid off. There are numerous benefits to electric motor propulsion, including that it's quieter, more efficient at lower speeds, and less smelly. It's also expected to lower overall costs of ownership by reducing or eliminating the needs for oil and transmission fluid changes, filter and impeller replacements, and starter problems. There's less to winterize too. Additionally, unlike diesel or gas engines, electric motors provide full torque instantly so boats can accelerate faster. Of course, it is ultimately a matter of personal preference, but many people believe electric boats are objectively better. They may become the standard in boating. The shipping industry's carbon footprint is often overlooked when compared with aviation and car emissions. And yet this year it was found that the shipping industry emits more greenhouse gases and air pollution than domestic aviation. Switching the shipping industry over to a zero-emission model could prevent numerous tons of CO2 from escaping into the atmosphere. But it's important to remember that moving to electric power alone is not enough to prevent global warming. If the electricity is supplied from burning coal, then it's only barely better than burning gasoline. However, when the power comes from clean renewable sources like wind and solar, the carbon footprint drops dramatically. If people adopt electric vehicles and subsidize renewable energy, their carbon footprint will plummet. Right now, the early adopters of Dasher Electric are mostly technology insiders and ultra-wealthy visionaries. But soon the general public will adopt electric technology, and Hinckley Yachts will forever be known as the first pioneer to produce a fully electric luxury yacht.